Peafowl are a group of large, ornate birds known for the incredible iridescent plumage of the males, called peacocks. There are three main species: the Indian peafowl, the green peafowl, and the Congo peafowl. All peafowl share a similar body shape, with a long, fan train of feathers that the males dramatically display during courtship. The females, called peahens, have more subdued brown and gray plumage. The vibrant colors of a peacock's feathers are not due to pigmentation, but rather an amazing feat of structural coloration. The microscopic structure of the feather barbules creates interference patterns that reflect light and produce the shimmering blues, greens, and iridescent eyes. This adaptation helps male peacocks attract peahens during the breeding season. Male peacocks put on an elaborate courtship display, fanning out their magnificent train of feathers to catch the attention of potential mates. The angle and intensity of the display, as well as the number and symmetry of the eye spots, are key factors in a peahen's mating choice. Researchers have found that peahens strongly prefer males with more elaborate, symmetrical trains. The evolution of the peacock's extravagant train has been the subject of extensive scientific debate. Charles Darwin proposed that it arose through sexual selection, with peahens preferring to mate with males that had the most impressive plumage. The handicap principle suggests the train is an honest signal of a male's fitness, as less fit individuals would be disadvantaged by the burden of maintaining such a large, conspicuous structure. Peafowl are highly social and vocal birds, using a range of calls to communicate. They are omnivorous, feeding on plants, insects, small reptiles, and more. Peafowl are known to roost in trees at night, but forage on the ground during the day, scratching through leaf litter for food. The peacock holds immense cultural significance in India, where it is the national bird. In Hinduism, the peacock is the mount of the god of war Kartikeya, and its feathers are seen as auspicious. Peacocks also feature prominently in Indian art, architecture, and mythology. In the Middle East, the peacock is a revered symbol in Yazidi and Mandean traditions. The Yazidi peacock angel is one of the central figures of their faith, representing the diversity of the world. Peacock feathers are considered sacred and are not to be mistreated or consumed. Peafowl come in a wide variety of color variations beyond the iconic blue-green peacock. Selective breeding has produced white, purple, opal, and other morphs. Hybrids between the Indian and green peafowl, called spaldings, also exhibit unique plumage traits. Throughout history, peafowl have been prized for their ornamental beauty and used for food, feathers, and ceremonial displays. In ancient Rome, peafowl were served as a lavish delicacy, while their feathers were used in religious and cultural practices around the world.